Welcome to all my children. Again, welcome to all my ninth class brothers and sisters. Children, how are you? I know you are fine because all are at home. So today's slogan is stay home, stay safe. So children, today I will recite a good poem for you. First poem that is related to stay home and stay safe. Okay? So today's topic is home and love. Today's topic is home and love. The greatest sweetest thing. Two words very sweet to us because we all are love home. Because in our home we get love, affection, father's care, grandparents' love and affection, brother and sisters are there. So home is the best. East and west, home is the best. So here the great poet Robert William Service, the great poet, you know. The poet is Robert William Service, and the poet R.W. Service was born 1874 and died 1958. Okay? Now you only listen and I will recite the poem, the great poem, because we love home. Without home, we can't exist. Without home, one can like a beast. So where there is home, there is love. Where there is love, there must be home. So today's poem is home and love, the most sweetest word. Okay? I will recite now. Only you listen. Listen. Just home and love. The words are small, 4 little letters onto each, and yet you will not find at all the wide and gracious range of speech. Two more so tenderly complete. When angels talk in heaven, I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Then second stanza. Just home and love, it's hard to guess which of the two we are best to gain. Home without love is bitterness, love without home is often pain. Okay? So there are more two stanza. Third stanza. No, each alone will seldom do. Somehow they travel hand and glove. If you win one, you must have two, both home and love. And if you have both, well, then I am sure you ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor, with this to make divine your song. And so I praisefully repeat, when angels talk in heaven above, there are no words more simply sweet than home and love. Children, so here is a great poem, most favorable poem. We love that poem, okay? Home and love, because we all are at home. Home is the safer place. Home is the best place. Okay? Let's go. I will explain here the first stanza. Okay? Just home and love, the words are small. You look. Home and love. Words are small, very small. Home is a small word and love is a small word. Okay? Home and love, very small. 4 little letters onto each. Okay, 4 letters are here. H-O-M-E, then L-O-V-E. 4 little letters onto each, and A you won't find in all. The wide and gracious range of speech. Here, gracious means pleasant. Write down. Pleasant. Okay. Tenderly means simply. Then bitterness means anger. All these glossaries. Divine means heavenly. Praise. Admire. Okay. Then angel means God's messengers. So all these glossaries are in your book. Write down. 4 little letters onto each, because H-O-M-E and L-O-V-E. 4 little letters are here. And yet you won't find in all the wide and gracious range of peace. These two words are very small. Home and love, very small, but these two words have gracious range of speech. Means gracious means pleasant, because there is love. When we utter home, there is love. So these two words have more gracious and range of speech. Here poet says, two more so tenderly complete, because without one another cannot exist. Home and love are tenderly complete. They are co-related to each other. One cannot exist without other. Home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. We know. When angels talk in heaven above, angel, angel, God's messenger, Pari, Devaduta, they talk in heaven. How sweetest home and love these two words are. I am sure they have no words more sweet. The poet says he is sure that there are no more sweet word than home and love. Okay, the home and love are co-related to each other. One cannot exist without another. Where there is love, there is home. Where there is home, there must be love. Father's love, mother's love, grandparents' love and affection, brother and sisters. We love our home because we live here and rise up. Then second stanza. Just home and love, it's hard to guess. The home and love, it's hard to guess. Hard means impossible. Impossible to guess here. Hard to guess. Which of two we are best to gain? So which is best? You can't imagine. We can't imagine yourself. Home is the best or love is best? Because home and love are co-related to each other. Home without love is bitterness. Write down. Home without love is bitterness. Then love without home is often pain. Okay? Here you see, I draw one picture for you like home. Okay? So here you see home. You may draw this picture. So where there is home, there must be love. Okay? So write down. Home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. The love, home, if there is home, if there is no love, it is bitterness. Bitterness, we know that anger. Okay, quarreling with each other if there is no love. Okay, home without love is bitterness. The love without home is often pain. If there is love, they have no home, so there is often pain to live there. Okay. The love without home is often pain, according to the poet. Let's go to the third stanza. No, each alone will seldom do. Somehow they travel hand and glove. Look at me, seldom. Seldom means seldom. Hardly. Okay. Seldom. No, each alone will seldom do. One cannot alone. One cannot walk without another. Home cannot. There is no home without love. Okay. Somehow they travel hand and glove. So home and love are related to each other. They go like hand and glove. Means write down related to each other. Related to each other. Okay. Related to each other. Who? Like this. You see gloves. This is gloves. Okay. The gloves without a hand, it has no value. The glove and hand are co-related with each other. Like this, home and love are co-related to each other. One cannot exist without another. Like hand and glove. Here, poet compares with home and love like hand and glove. Okay? Then, if you win one, you must have two. Here, poet says, Robert William Service says here, if you win one, if you have home, okay? If you win one, you must have two. So, if you win home, then you must have love. There is love, there is home. The two sides of the same coin. Okay, both home and love. Here Robert William Service said. The last paragraph. Okay, and if you have both, here poet says, if you have both, well then I am sure. The poet says I am sure. The one is sure. You ought to sing the whole day long because happiness is there, love is there. So one ought to sing the whole day long because when one is happy, then he will recite a song the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor. It may be one family may be poor. Doesn't matter. If there is love, must be a good home and love. Okay. It doesn't matter if you are poor or rich. No matter. With this to make divine your song because your song is divine. Divine means we know that is divine means heavenly. Write down. Divine means divine heavenly. Divine means heavenly. Okay. Write down. Because all these glossaries are here, you should write down in your notebook. It doesn't matter if you are poor, no matter with this to make divine your song. Because your song is divine. You will sing the whole day long because you have home, you have love. And so I praisefully repeat. Praise means prasansa. Here poet says, I praisefully repeat this word. When angels talk in heaven, angels we know that God's messenger, they talk with each other. How great! Home and love. The angels talk in heaven. Above, there are no words. They also thought. They also think. There are no words more simply sweet than home and love. So home and love are great. If there is home, there must be love. Because we are all at home. Home is the east and west. Home is the west. Because we all are at home. Okay? The students. Here, students, we know that R.W. Service, one objective question. Who is the poet of this home and love? Robert William Service. He was born in 1874 and died in 1958. And he was born in Preston, England. In his lifetime, he published 4 collections of poetry. Among them, Home and Love is the best poem of R.W. Service. Children, my dear children, this much for today, and your SW is the first activities from 1 to 8. Okay, and all these glossaries, and you read this poem at home 2 times loudly. Okay, stay home and stay safe. All the best. Goodbye to all.